Sounds like someone needs help. Autobots?
I know. Transform and roll out.
We're live on the scene downtown, where the Autobots once again are earning their title as Detroit's little superheroes.
Enjoy it while you can, heroes. You're about to fall.
We at Sunback Systems continue our commitment to moving Detroit forward with this fully automated rapid transit system capable of speeds over 300 miles per hour.
These humans are moving so fast. Why are they building wheels like us?
I want to thank the mayor, police captain Fanzo, and especially our city's cybernetic superheroes for attending this magnificent grand opening ceremony.
We keep calling us heroes, but I don't feel like a hero any more than I did repairing space bridges on Cybertron.
Yeah.
Experience. Heroes usually end up on the repair table or scrap